Hi guys, if you are using Windows 10 and you get the dark mode, and surprisingly it is official dark mode, and you can see this dark mode is very simple and useful. It is the system settings is dark mode. Everything is dark mode, and you can go to the file explorer. It will be dark mode. Yes. If you are using Firefox, and it will be downloaded on YouTube. Yes, this is my YouTube and it's downloaded. And if you are using the Facebook, it will be downloaded. Now let's see. I'll show how to download your Windows, YouTube and Facebook. With us. Now first of all, press the star icon, then go to the settings, then you can get the personalized. Just click here and press the note here background, then you can see this is the color, then click on the color bar, then you can get the source of the color here. Yes, dark. Just simply click here and your Windows will be dark moded, and it's very nice and simple. Let's see in YouTube. If you are using Firefox, then go to the YouTube, then press the icon and you can get the dark mode. Just simply turn on the dark mode. Yeah. It's also dark moded. Just go back and I'm going to the Facebook. If you are using the Firefox, you can get some additional theme also here. Just go to the add-ons and extension, and then go to the search bar and write here dark theme for Facebook. Just click here and you can get the dark theme. Simply click here, then add on by Firefox. Yes, add on. Okay, got it. Now go to the Facebook, then you can see my Facebook home page is dark mode. Thanks for watching. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.